Round 4, Northwest Sports Show here, the 13th day of March 2025. We did some pictures and whatever else for my calendar. This one is 35. Lot price is 41, so anyway, we're going on in this bad boy. It's cracked. It's hilarious. Cracked. But you can sit on here and watch TV. Seems a little cramped, but refrigerator and got storage in here, and I believe this is the head. Yep, the head leads into the workbench with you and the wife. Not bad. Nice. You can actually sit on the shitter and have leg room. You can shower in the shower in there. It's tall enough for me. It's good enough. Bitch, please. So there you go. Going down here. A little small over here. All right. Let's go look at this bad boy. The small baby one, huh? 23. Oh my God. I don't know, man. It's not bad, I guess. But see how, look at this. I can't even tap in here. So I don't think so. I mean, if you're small fry, I get it. Come on in here, you can sit and eat, cook, sleep, whatever else. Not very high ceiling. It's gonna be a little higher than that. I can't buy it. Too low of a ceiling in there. Oh my goodness. Kill yourself in there. Too low of a ceiling. But anyways. Let's see who this one is. Walk right into the workbench. Got the head. Yeah. This one is 32.5. Just I went over there. I mean, I couldn't get in there. I'm sorry, man. I'd buy this one, I guess, before I'd buy. Again, the workbench. I mean, the beds. Be my storage area. Don't need all that. Especially I'm just up by myself, hanging out. But there's the head. Not bad. But I get it. That's just too small. That bad boy. Got a grill right here. Put my helmet's on there.
This one we got a made up bed, but we got some with bongs, we got others with so whatever you need, we got it.
This is the classic. Let's see if I can. This one is 19 grand with plus X. I like it, but again, too short. I get it. I'd love to have it, but gotta have that headroom in there, boys and girls. I hit my other way out. My other one is a midget. So, nope. Not Cowport approved. This one is 16 grand. I don't get it. I'd buy this one tomorrow. I mean, the other one, no. This is nice. I get lighter, but got a nice bed. All you need is to sit right here. Probably have a TV. You can always have it come down from the roof if you want up there and sit there. I don't know. TV right here, but this is a nice one. This is nice, easy to pull. Get away, drop it. I'd buy it for 16 grand. I'd buy it. Not bad at all. I take it. It's very simple. Place to cook, clean, eat, all your stuff, whatever else. You're in a camping area, not that bad, not that tough. Oh. Right. How's business?
A little slow.
Yeah.
Starting off a little slow. Hopefully she'll pick up.
It will. Trust me, tomorrow and Saturday it will. Oh yeah. They always have the fishing, and then the guy goes fishing in there. with lures. It's pretty cool. He's here every year. All those fish use lures. This is those things, you've seen those. It's a nice little small one. I don't get that. No, I'm not. I get all that behavior, but that's 57,000. 88. Oh, not bad. Nice big TV. Watch my Cowboys get embarrassed. Nice big workbench for you and the wife. TV. Not bad. I like it. Sit down right down there. Oh yeah. You pay 50, my 58, whatever. I'll just buy cash, money, drive it off. Nice big head. Little sink. You shower in the shower. Yeah, not bad. Look at this one. There was somebody anyway over there before. Let's see if they're in there. Perfect. This one is 27. A small one for the Cowboy here. Yep, I'm running all myself. Not bad. Yeah, I like it. So what you're looking for. As long as nothing comes out, goes out. I likey. So long as pretty small. But I think I could do it. I could handle it. Sit right here, watch TV, where it would be, probably right over here. Sit in the bed and fall asleep. So not bad. Not bad. It's a comfortable bed. Not bad. Sure. Investment. What do they say here now? 27 off the lot. Regular savings of was over 65,000, so 38. Probably after tax, 42 grand. Walk away with it. 3,000 pounds. Not bad at all. So let's go down here, check out some of these, and we'll get over to Scamp. This one is 33,000, 1,700 additional. Not bad. Nice TV. Workbench is nice. Yeah, the Northwest Sports Show. It comes here every year, and you can get your license. I usually buy it at Holiday, anyways. Again, my storage area. I know this is for the kids' bunks, but that's what I would be. But pantry, nice little. Put your food in there, right? The head, not too bad. Not bad. I like it. Room to move and groove. You sit right here and watch TV. Not bad at all. All depends. You pay only it's not bad for the price. You know, I'm gonna pay cash. I'm not paying a monthly fee on it. So over here, this one is 20 grand. So give or take. Again, your workbench. Not bad. Nice head. Great place to eat. You can sit right here with your friends if they want. You're in the park, people come on in and hang out, cook. They can sit right there. So yeah, that's not bad. I love all the old ones. These old ones are fun. These old ones are great. They're built to last. The Shastas are, but we make sure everything is working right and good warranty on them, because you all know the refrigerators all fall apart. I've looked enough for Liz Amazing behavior. Just ridiculous. No, this one is again 23. Compared to what I've seen other prices, let me see. Not bad. Nice big workbench. Then I'd take all that out if I bought it. My bike goes back there. My golf clubs, everything I need, whatever I need goes into there. I'd have them put a door in there so I can lock it. Whatever I need. So this would be a nice handy one for myself. Yeah. Storage area. I mean, maybe you can still keep it, I guess, but put all your stuff that you need. Have at it. Refrigerator. Let's see what the head looks like. Not bad. I'd shower in that shower. Damn right. Big TV right there. Boom. You can watch the Super Bowl 60 coming up, you guys. All right. I think it's at Levi Stadium. I think it is. Oh, not bad. Have the same kind of, well, this is back into here. Won't need all that stuff, but it is i5 edition. 25 grand? Wow. Must be an older one or something. They want to get rid of it. It kind of makes me nervous, but I do like it. And this is my storage area. So I'm going to put all my stuff, you know, all my stuff I need right into here. Golf clubs, bike, whatever. I'm a whore for public golf courses. I always have and always will. So anyways, so I think this was the fourth one. So anyways, guys, we'll move on to something more substantial. So we'll go over to my favorite ones over there too as well. Check that out. So, oh yeah, some big ones here. Arctic Wolf. So they go on and on and on. But you can also book. Oh, there's some small ones. What the hell? Let's look at a couple ones over here. So let's look at this one right here. This one's 42 grand. Not bad. Alrighty then. Pretty good. Not bad. Hell yeah. So, alright, we'll go to the last one looking here. This is the ones you put on top of your pickup trucks. So, yeah, this one is $69,000. No, thank you. Anyways, guys, that's North Country RV right there, man. Anyways, guys, see you next one.